Okay, here's a mystery for all you mystery sleuths out there. Here's a tree that fell down. Right next to it, you see this tree right here. This recently blew over as a ham. Okay, you see that going up there? Now, obviously, that tree had to fall before that tree, correct? Did these things both of these just fall in the same time? And where did this come from? I think it came from up there. That tree there, I don't know if you can see it. My guess is this is a sequence of events. This tree up there snapped off, leading this one to fall down. It fell down first. And during the same windstorm, just slightly later on, this tree fell over the top of it. What do you guys think? That seem like a reasonable conclusion? Let me hear your comments.